About to show the shoe before I even do the intro.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good, man? It's your boy Austin, back at you with another video. Yes, you do not see Pops in here. It's just me. I got tired of him just, trying to run the show, so I kind of stole the shoes and, I'm here shooting a video.
Look at me, sure. Look at me, sure. I'm the captain now.
So, what I'm going to do today is give you a review of some early heat coming out on December 14th or the 21st, one of the 2 days. And it is the Jordan XI Bred. First off the rip, it came in this weird, I wouldn't necessarily, it's not a Jordan 11 box. He doesn't have one around here. So yeah, it came in this type of box. And I don't know, man. What y'all need to do is bring back them retro cards, Jordan. The retro cards that had all the Jordans on them. Y'all need to bring that back because sneakerheads, we miss that. That's the type of, vintage that we look for when we get retro sneakers. So whenever there's a retro colorway releasing, y'all need to just release that. So yeah. But before I get into this video, man, make sure y'all like and subscribe and comment and let us know if there's anything that we need to do better. If there is, if y'all do want to do the vlog videos, that we can do that. I don't know if he's posted what I recorded, so, it is what it is. He don't mess with me. I got the Travis Scott Astro World hoodie on with the Dior hat. Shout out to Jordan Julian over at Dior US on Instagram. And I got the double season. So yeah, that's what I'm rocking with today. After I give you a review of the shoes, I'll show you, some ways that probably I will wear the shoes. I don't have these personally, but I'll tell you like some type of fits that I will put together with it. So yeah, let's get into it. So I already have the shoe out the box. It's right here. And pretty much, it's a really dope, black and red is always the way to go with Jordans. The Breds are always the most iconic one besides the Concords. The Bred 1s are very, very popular in Jordan because it's obviously the first shoe he wore. Thing about these shoes is, the shoe went crazy before Jordan even put these on his feet and played in a game with them. He actually wore them in 1996 in game 1 of the playoffs versus the Miami Heat. And he debuted the shoe, but it was already debuted, I think, through a commercial, and people were going crazy over it. It's almost like, LeBron wearing some crazy shoe that hasn't even came out yet on like a commercial, but he hasn't worn it in the game. So that's how big it was. And just the black silhouette of it, the metal type feel that you get with the black, like when you put a light on it, like right here with the light, it looks just so crisp and clear. The white midsole on it, the weird, like it's what would you even call the bottom of this? Like right here, it's you know it's an 11 when you see the bottom. So yeah, I'll show you a little bit more specs on it. On the inside, it has an original Jordan 11 shoe tree, comes standard with it. And on the inside, it just says Nike Air. Only Jordan sign is on the outside of the shoe. Pretty regular. On the third midsole.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It is I don't even know what that's called. I can't tell you. I'm too young for that. Sorry.
Boy, if you don't...
This is why I don't do reviews by myself. Pretty much, I really like the shoe. Hopefully I get a pair whenever it comes out. I know it's in December, but I don't know what day. I can't tell you for sure. I'll give you some insights on like what I would do if I was wearing some, some Bred 11s. If I was to wear these, I would probably wear some cargo pants with them, either black or olive. And then on top of that, I'll wear a regular hoodie, just because simple outfits are better. Like, I'll put on an outfit to show you, like, with my Concord 11s, to show you like an outfit that I will put on myself. And, maybe a flannel over top, depending if it's hot or cold. Like, if it's hot, I'm definitely wearing shorts. Probably, I don't know, you don't really wear Jordan 11s like that in the hot weather. This is more like a cold weather shoe to me because it's so high top. Like, high tops you don't wear in the summer. Like, you wear low tops, you try to show your ankles, show some skin, I'll just put together a fit. Like, I'll just show you what I do. So yeah.
Turn up a little bit. Right there, Pops. Hey. Whoa. You too. Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how they be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, son and his pops that stay with the sneakers. Man, the shoes be so cold that you know it came with a heater. Man, my dad got that drip, we call that a ravine. And I only rock exclusive, I be rocking Supreme. Man, we wear all our shoes so you know they gon' crease. Man, subscribe and go light because we some hype beast. Hey, pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how they be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, son and his pops that stay with the sneakers. Man, the shoes be so cold that you know it came with a heater. Man, my dad got that drip, we call that a ravine. And I only rock exclusive, I be rocking Supreme. Man, we wear all our shoes so you know they gon' crease. Man, subscribe and go light because we some hype beast. Hey.
So yeah, man, appreciate y'all tuning into this video. I know it's a little different. Didn't have Pops with me, so I just wanted to see a little different angle of it, view. Honestly, I'm tired of being in the showroom, so I'm going to shoot more vlogs. I'm going to show more different things. So if you guys want that, comment down below, let us know, or hit us up on Instagram at Generational Hype Beast, or my personal Instagram at Austin Woods with 2 N's. And just let me know like what you guys think, or if you guys are like into sneakers. If you're not, we'll go into something different. We're thinking of doing outfit challenges, so if you guys want to do all that, we can do it. You know, like, just let us know. So yeah, man, this is son, no pops. So yeah, appreciate y'all, love y'all, hug your mama, hug your daddy, pet your dog, holla.
For the big right to sleep, ayy. On the bed of my jeans, ayy. Double cup that lean, ayy.